Today I start with something small, a circle round, that's just a ball. I try and hear a little line too. My picture grows, I watch it do. Circles, lines and fantasy, I draw with heart, it's part of me. I sketch what deep inside me grows, until my picture comes and glows. Practice makes the master, it's true. I'll keep going, see it through. A little tree, a shining star, the moon is smiling from afar. I give it meaning, give it grace, and magic fills the empty space. Circles, lines and fantasy, I draw with heart.
If you enjoyed the video and don't want to miss any new ones, subscribe to the channel now and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment if you like or share the video with your friends. See you soon.